So in this month's journal, there's a really cool study about ambulatory inguinal hernia surgery. So a group of researchers from Spain looked at patients who had open preperitoneal inguinal hernia repair and patients who had laparoscopic repair. And what did they find? The open preperitoneal patients did better. Why? They had less immediate pain after surgery, less chronic pain after surgery, same recurrence rate as laparoscopic surgery. Why did this happen? It's kind of a no-brainer when you think about it. Open preperitoneal repair and laparoscopic repair, the mesh is placed on the inside of the abdominal wall. That's the absolute best way to fix a hernia. However, when you do it open, you don't require general anesthesia. Your patients aren't getting intubated, they're not getting paralyzed, you don't go inside the peritoneal cavity where the intestines live, and you use a ton of local anesthesia at each site. And so the brain actually never gets a signal that, hey, this hurts. The patients do better. They take less opioids after surgery, they recover faster, and of course there's not going to be any long-term difference because it's the exact same operation, just done through a different approach, through a much more innovative way to do it. I've been doing this for 22 years. We haven't had the data to show that it's better. Now enough surgeons around the world have figured out there's a better way to fix a hernia. It doesn't involve a robot. It doesn't involve a laparoscope. Small open incisions, local anesthesia, best mesh placement, open preperitoneal repair. We've got overwhelming data now. The time has come for a change.